Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'll be showing how to make a simple, easy and delicious fish fry. Let's get started. In a bowl, add in 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon pepper powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder. I have added 1 more tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for color. You can substitute the Kashmiri red chilli powder with a tablespoon of normal red chilli powder. To this, add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and juice of half a lemon. Now season this with salt. I have used about half a teaspoon of salt. Now take quarter cup of water. Add in the water little by little and mix it to form a paste. Now to make the fish fry crispy, you can add a tablespoon of corn flour. Now add the remaining water and mix it well to form a lump-free, smooth, thick paste. The consistency of the paste should be like this. Meanwhile, clean the fish slices. I am using half a kilogram of seer fish today. You can choose to use any fish. Gently rub the spice paste over the fish slices to form an even coating around the fish. Now allow this to marinate for at least half an hour. If possible, allow it to marinate for more time in the refrigerator. Now in a skillet or a frying pan, add in about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any oil, but coconut oil gives a good flavor. To this, add in some curry leaves and gently place the fish slices over the curry leaves. This prevents the spices from getting dissolved into the oil and getting burnt. Use only medium flame during the entire frying process. If it is on low flame, the spices gets dissolved in the oil, and if it is on high flame, the spices get easily burned. So maintain the medium flame throughout the recipe. Now shallow fry each side for 3 minutes. While flipping, care not to break the fish slices. You can achieve that by using 2 spoons as shown in the video. Now I am going to flip and fry this side for 1 more minute. Once it's done, gently transfer the fish slices to a separate plate. The fish slices would be very delicate and soft at this point, so take care not to break the fish. Now using the same process, I am frying the remaining slices. You can see that throughout the recipe, the spices doesn't get dissolved in the oil and remains intact. Now for garnishing, crush few garlic pods and fry it in the oil. You can add in a bunch of curry leaves to this as well. You can choose to serve this with lemon wedge or onions. Hope you found this video useful. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you.